welcome to the Love My Earth kitchen. Today we are making apricot butter chicken. So this is a bit of an old school recipe, I guess. My mum used to make this for our family, but what I've done is I've just jazzed it up a bit really simply with some of our organic butter chicken mix. So I'm going to show you how to make this. It's as simple as 4 ingredients, frying it off on the cooktop, and then either popping it in the oven, or you could put it in the slow cooker while you're at work or out for the day, and it'll be ready when you get home. So all you need is some finely sort of roughly chopped, let's say, onion. So it's 1 brown onion, and just add that to the pan. I like to fry this off first, just so you get a nice sort of caramelized brown to the onions. But if you were running short of time, you could literally just throw it all in the slow cooker and let it cook for the day, and it would still be delicious. So I've added 1 onion in there. Then I have 1 kilo of organic chicken drumsticks. Now, chicken drumsticks are great. They're really affordable. If organic is out of your budget, these are great because they've got the bone in, they're quite affordable. And the bone in actually makes the meat so delicious. Once it's been cooking, you'll find that it starts to fall off the bone, and it just really gives it a really tender, delicious kind of flavour rather than using breasts or thighs for this recipe. So once your onions start to tenderise a little bit, you can add in your chicken drumsticks. So we've got 1 kilo here today. So what we're doing is not trying to cook the whole chicken off, we're just simply browning the outside of it. So we'll give that a little bit of a cook around. Now, if you're making a simple apricot chicken, you would just add the apricots and maybe some stock. But instead of doing that, we're going to use the butter chicken spice mix. So we'll use about 2 tablespoons of this to about 1 kilo of chicken. So once your onions and your chicken are browning, you just want to sprinkle your curry powder over the top. And once it hits that hot oil, the flavours of the curry powder release. I'm going to add a little bit more oil in here. The oil is sort of what carries the flavour through the dish, and just a little bit of Himalayan rock salt. Now I know you can't smell it there, but I certainly can, and it smells beautiful already. So you sort of coat off the chicken, and then once that's looking all coated with the spices, you just simply add 1 tin. Now this is about an 800 gram tin of apricots. We're going to add that to the tray. Now that chicken and the onion is just sitting in a beautiful pool of the apricots, and all we need to do now is pop some foil on this tray, and then pop it in a preheated oven of around about 180 degrees, or if you want to cook it longer, you can reduce the temperature, and just let that cook for about 45 minutes to an hour, and you'll have a beautiful dish. Always make sure to remember just to check your chicken that it has cooked all the way through, but you'll find when you take off that foil, the chicken should be falling off the bone of the chicken. So if you enjoy this recipe, please write comments below, or if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy.